how it is when you're fighting with babies.
Yeah. Yeah, hands full is bound to happen eventually.
Well, no, it wouldn't happen, because I told her way back when, get you another key and a little in and out locker.
Yeah.
Remote control. Well, I get it. Well, that's about 6-8 months now.
It'll be on the list now, trust me. Next time you tell her, she can say I already got it. Yeah, this is about 60 seconds worth of work, man. Let's see, where's the little button, master?
Yeah, I tried the old way. I got worried about messing something up. So.
Yeah, that's not what happen. That's not what happen whenever you go the old way, man. I'm not gonna sugarcoat
Well,
it.
the older vehicles, they was made out of something. These things here ain't made out of crap.
Yeah.
I could kick my door, my old truck, anything I wanted to do.
Oh, you can open it up. You good?
This one here, I fought on it. All right. Look,
Sit right there. Huh? Take a quick photo, and we're gonna be good to go.
Look at that. Oh my God, bro. I'm so thankful.
Oh yeah, no problem, man.
I sure appreciate it, bro.
Yes, sir. You're welcome. Make sure we got a good photo.
You need me to sign anything?
Nah, I just need to take a photo of it real fast. That's it. We good to go.
All right, man.
Y'all have a good night, all right?
You too, dude. I was trying to spray some beef.